Today, guys, we're going to learn how to create a secret code in WhatsApp. So, all we have to do so as to create a secret code in WhatsApp is to first start by updating our application, which is WhatsApp, on our Play Store. And as you can see, if you have any latest version on the WhatsApp that hasn't been updated to your WhatsApp application, or you can just update our application since it will help in creating the secret code on WhatsApp. Another thing we can actually do is launching our WhatsApp application from there, tapping in the guy that we want to, let's say, create a secret code in WhatsApp. And I might do that by blocking all the chats in order for that to occur. Tap on continue, either confirm via face or fingerprint to lock. And from there, if in the case that we haven't been able to see the option to create the secret code on WhatsApp, maybe the options in order to create the secret code in WhatsApp is not available and we have to wait, or we still haven't updated our applications, or the version that has the option to update our WhatsApp in order for us to see that option to create the secret code hasn't arrived yet. And thank you guys for watching this video. Hope that it did help in creating a secret code in WhatsApp, and I'll see you guys on the next video.